Also, we are editing video for Rajesh.
Fancy bus.
No? Balaji cabs, guys.
Balaji the cab bus.
ಜೋಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇ
ಏನಂತ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಹೇಳು.
ಬಾಲಾಜಿದು ಕ್ಯಾಬ್ದು ಬಸ್ಸು.
12 o'clock midnight.
Everyone's sleeping and I'm trying to get network. Exactly at 12 a.m. Supreet and I wished Rajesh happy birthday. Unfortunately, we couldn't record. We reached our destination. Yes, Kolmadu. We are at Villamina and we're gonna roam the entire day because Rajesh's meeting gets over at 6 o'clock. So we'll show you Pondicherry.
என்ன பொழப்பு இது? நம்ம வாழ்க்கை எதை நோக்கி பயணமா போய்கிட்டு இருக்குன்னே தெரியலையே.
We're gonna go eat some yummy food. We're gonna explore places and also we're gonna check out and go to a better room with a better view. Sufi and I are twinning. La 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 la. Okay, bye.
Bye.
After going here and there, we finally found a place. I hope he says that he serves here. I really don't want to get up and go find another place to sit right now. So let's see. It's a beautiful place, guys. How's the food, Supi?
We ordered cheese grilled sandwich and
A dish that we cannot pronounce.
yeah.
And we didn't even know what it was. We just ordered vegan.
Blah blah blah.
ஓஹோ.
But it
It was
tasted
good.
good. Yeah.
It was too good.
Yeah, the food, I think it was yummy, no? It's a little on the expensive side, but still it's worth it.
Yeah, and the waiting time is too much.
Yeah. This is very annoying, especially when you're hungry after a long, tiring Juga Juga bus journey.
Eventually,
Okay, so we had some really good breakfast and then we've come here near the beach, but it's a little hot for me, but not for Supi. So we are sort of confused what to do. Rajesh, why do you do this? Why do you want to have a meeting on your birthday? Like, why?
Come soon, Rajesh.
Yes, Rajesh, we miss you. So boring without you.
How do I tell you?
It is okay, Supi and I are going to have fun. We're going to figure out a way how to have fun. We finally got an auto and we are going to explore.
Lighthouse.
And then we are going to explore.
Church.
Yes. And we also did some Jyotisha session. I don't know if Supreet got a video of it. The dimension it is supposed to be in. If he has taken it like a reel, then I'm sorry, guys. This Anna is asking for 400 rupees. But okay. I think we can manage. Let's go. Let's see lighthouse. Unfortunately, we couldn't go in. லைட் ஹவுஸ் பார்க்க முடியல, என்னால் கண்ணு ஓப்பன் பண்ண முடியல. Couldn't see the lighthouse because it's closed from past 2 years because of COVID. Also, I'm not able to open my eyes because of sun. Supi is getting calls from his office. Officially, life sucks without Rajesh.
நாம் யாருக்கு என்ன தீங்கு செய்தோம்? நமக்கு மட்டும் ஏன் இப்படி எல்லாம் நடக்கிறது?
That staring at me from that time, and the Supri does not believe it. See for yourself, friends. Wherever I go, that Hasu is looking at me only. See the Hasu. Suprit, you are the Hasu.
This is the church we are going, no?
Yeah.
ஜெரால்டு சோஃபியா திருவியாக நன்றியாகவும்
So we came to the church. The outside is good, and even the inside is good. But not so exciting. But one time visit though.
You get to hear. I
Yeah,
mean,
the prayers.
yeah, so it's sort of nice. You should definitely come.
A few moments later.
This is another church. It has the touch of the European architecture.
அப்புறம் நான் உங்ககிட்ட விளையாட்டா பேசுற பூரா நீங்க நம்பிட்டீங்க. ஐயோ ஐயோ.
And we are at Cafe de Arts, which is right next to Villamena. Also, I'm going to show you the place. It's beautiful. You can see a surfboard randomly hanging there, and then you see a leopard's painting right below that. And then you have a scooter, and then Rajnikant, who is standing and just staring at you. I'm not even kidding.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Hi friends, நாங்க இப்போ room shift பண்ணிட்டோம். We shifted room. Yeah, so we shifted our room to. We'll show you later. Supi and I are going to chill. We are going to have a best friend moment because we have been celebrating the friendship of 6 years. Drushti to us so much.
ஒரு சிங்கத்தை பத்தி ஒரு சிங்கமே சொன்னா அது அசிங்கம்.
We are also color coordinating weirdly. You can see yellow, dirty fella. Okay, bye.
Bye, friends.
Friends? No, no, Anbeko. Friends? No. Okay, bye.
ஏய் என்னைய வச்சு ஒன்னும் காமெடி கிமெடி பண்ணலையே.
So this is the room. Before we dirty it, I'm going to just show you. So P, show us our balcony. 1, 3, 2, 1. La 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 la. That's Cafe Hope right
There is
next
a Hope
to.
cafe next to us,
Yeah.
so we can hope for some cafes. Hope for some cafes.
Oh my God! You didn't say that.
ஓ இங்க படுத்துற நிமிஷம்னால தாங்க முடியலையே. தலை வலிக்குதுடா. தலை வலிக்குதே.
It's a Pondicherry, guys. It's a Pondicherry.
Later that same evening.
We are all set to go and give Rajesh a surprise. Rajesh does not know that we are going to give him a surprise. We're pretty nervous because we don't know these planners. So we found them on Instagram and we've asked them to do some crazy stuff because Rajesh is turning
30.
He's entering the 30s club. Our auto Anna, so we'll ask him to take us to Sand Dunes Beach. Apparently, even he does not know. Many people in Pondicherry don't know where few places are, which is pretty astonishing. So we'll use Google Devi, and Likita, if you're watching this, we miss you. So we're going to use Google Devi and we're going to find Sand Dunes Beach, and let us give Rajesh that surprise.
Keep waiting for the surprise, Rajesh.
Guys, so Rajesh decided that he'll get a cab when he knew that he wouldn't get a cab, and now he walked all the way from his resort to meet us. So we went halfway and now we are coming back to pick him. And our poor little Supreet is sitting where Chotus will sit. So officially, Supreet is our adopted child. Happy birthday, Raju!
I'm Rajesh, I'm the store leader, Decathlon ETA. I'm really proud to say that we extended our store size based on our customer feedback and user satisfaction survey.
We finished the Rajesh's birthday surprise. He was super happy and super surprised.
We're gonna release a separate video of that. So it was super fun, and we had to do a lot of drama. Unfortunately, I couldn't record that. But then yeah, we ended Rajesh's 30th birthday on a good note. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we'll be exploring Arrowville. That will be in another video. Until then, keep watching Kanna with Kanmani. This is Nisha and this is Supreet. And this is the birthday boy himself, Rajesh.
Bye.
Bye. Subscribe to KNK channel. He's 30.
No, 29.
If you liked our video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay notified.